Hi, welcome to Shibaura Machine e-learning. 108 tips for successful injection molding. I am C. Somaskandan, Head Application Engineering, Shibaura Machines India Private Limited. Today, we are going to learn about how to avoid short molding in plastic injection molded part. What is short molding? Short molding is an incomplete filling in a molded part. It comes in any component in a mold, which can be avoided by fine-tuning various processes. Let us understand the factors creating the short molding in plastic injection molding machine. Contribution from clamping unit of injection molding machine, contribution from injection unit of injection molding machine, contribution by process setting of injection molding machine, mold contribution, part design and polymer contribution. Let's understand how an injection unit of injection molding machine contributes for short molding. Incorrect nozzle orifice in plasticizing unit of injection molding machine leads for short molding. Selecting an orifice of a nozzle is very important. Always the orifice diameter should be 1 mm lesser than the orifice diameter in sprue bush of mold. This easily avoids short molding during injection. The another reason for short molding is melt temperature of polymer. Selecting the right barrel temperature, considering the polymer guidelines, is very important. If the material is high viscous and melt temperature is too low, a short molding can occur easily. The plasticizing unit of an injection molding machine is an important component in a molding machine. The plasticizing unit has a plasticizing screw, which everybody is aware of. It has got a non-return check valve. The function of the check valve is very important. If it has worn out or due to some other reason during high-speed injection or with high pressure injection, if there is a backflow takes place, a short molding can easily occur at the edges of the component. Always check the check valve functioning of plasticizing screw before loading a mold. The another factor which contributes short molding is from the heating system of plasticizing unit. Always cross-check the functioning of heaters and thermocouple of plasticizing unit so that the temperature is maintained within the recommended range of polymer manufacturers.